Hello and welcome, dear friends, to another exciting video. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Before we dive into the main topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our content. Now, let's get straight to the point. To embark on this creative journey, start by asking chatgpt to weave a captivating story based on your dreams. Once you have your narrative, enhance the visual experience by sourcing high-quality images. For Android users, the process begins with downloading the Google app from the Play Store. Open Google Chrome, search for ideogram.ai, and give access to your Gmail account. Then ask the AI to generate your desired pictures and download them to your device storage. Returning to ChatGPT, extract the crafted story and transition to the next phase, turning text into voice. For beginners, I recommend 11 Labs. Navigate to 11 Labs in Google Chrome, sign up with your Google account, and click Get Started for free. Select the text-to-speech option, paste your ChatGPT-generated story, choose a preferred voice from the available options, and click Generate.
Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I will still keep uploading this kind of video for you. My dear friends.
After a brief moment, you can download the audio by clicking the button in the bottom right corner. Now, armed with a compelling story and an engaging voiceover, it's time to move on to video creation. Open your preferred video editing tool, whether it's an app or a web-based platform. Combine the visually stunning images from ideogram.ai with the dynamic voiceover from 11 Labs. Adjust the timing and transitions to create a seamless narrative. As a finishing touch, save your masterpiece and behold the result of your creative process. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the journey from dream-inspired storytelling to a multimedia experience. Now, share your creation with the world by uploading the video to your YouTube channel. Watch as your audience grows, and enjoy the satisfaction of bringing your imaginative vision to life. Thank you for joining me on this exciting adventure.